Hello everybody, pardon me, and welcome back to the stream. Today we're going to be doing some game development, though I don't know if I'll be able to do a full stream tonight. Feeling a little tired, a little winded, though doesn't mean I haven't had a good day. I also should say that if you hear a cat yelling on stream, it's probably because my my family's cat is very lonely at the moment. As much as I would love to, I've been spending a lot of time with her, but she starts yelling at around this hour if there's nobody home. So, and there's nobody but me home. So if you hear a cat on the mic, I'll try to, put her upstairs, but she tends to follow me around. So I hope, hope that everything will be alright with that. I'll give her some pets and she'll probably quiet down. I don't know. Anyways. Welcome back to the stream. Today we're doing some more game development. I'm going to be working on Grow again. I did a little bit of cleanup while we were away. I got rid of a script that we weren't using. Combined two presets into one. I combined the pot preset and the plant preset into one. Save up a little bit of space there. And I edited the grid manager script a little bit so that we don't have to use some of those presets. Now it's a bit more simple. Just one simple change, really. That's all it needed for this change to work. Not much other than that has changed, really. I didn't really do a lot on it this week. There was a bit of stuff that ended up happening. Mostly school stuff. Getting back into school. I had my first classes yesterday, and they were pretty good. I'm excited to learn more in these classes. Just time consuming is all. It takes my entire morning. I'm like tired as fuck afterwards. It's great. Anyways, we're gonna swap right on over to the correct scene over here. Is this the correct scene? This is the correct scene, as you can see. As you can see, everything still seems to be functioning pretty normally. Everything's functioning nice. My goal for today is to try and get a bud spawning in one of these two squares here, and then being able to click on it so we can move it. We can like make it move in a direction. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Though I don't know. Again, I don't know if I'll be able to stream for the entire 3 hours. I'm tired, and it is very warm where I am right now. Like surprisingly warm. And it's making me very tired. So I don't know if I'll be able to even stream for the entire duration. I'll get as much as I can done, but I don't know. We'll see what ends up happening. Oh, by the way, last stream's VOD is up on the channel, up on the stream archive. You can go check that out. That's available there. I'm gonna... I need to do a little bit of brainstorming how in the world we're gonna get a bud spawning in one of these two spaces right next to the potted plant. I want to write a script for the pot, so basically it's like it detects where it is and it detects the squares up, down, left, and right of it. And detects if there's a tile there. If there's a tile there, then it can place a spawn point there. As for the spawn points, I'll just randomize them for now. I think I can do that, right? I don't know exactly how it works. So let's try something out. First, we gotta go to here. Get rid of all this. Okay, so for the pot script, I'm thinking first we need to detect the locations of all of the we need to detect the locations of all of the tiles around it, pretty much, of the tiles in the that are adjacent to it, not diagonal. But how do we go about doing that? How exactly would we go about doing that? I don't know. Maybe we could use like I don't know. I wonder if to find a tile, we'd need to trying to do some brainstorming here, and I can't think of anything. God, all right. Time to do a little bit of research then. Okay. For a second, I tabbed out. It's fine. Thing is, I don't exactly know what to look up here. If I'm correct, we did do something similar in this script here, right? Uh... Again, I don't know. Maybe I'm just really tired. I just am unable to figure out what exactly I'm looking for here. Maybe, maybe. I think I have an idea. An idea just came up to me. Maybe we don't need to be in the scripts at all for right now. We can go into the prefabs. View. Oh, I need to stop playing the game. Okay. So into this, we can make some empty objects. You zero them out. And we put them in the correct locations. So like, I'm thinking the position, do like 1. And then we can duplicate this a couple times. This can be 1 here, 0 there. This can be 1, 1. No. 0, and no, it's -1, that's correct. And this will be 0, -1. And now, I believe if I am correct, we can add like something to them. I don't know. I thought we could add a like tag to them of some kind. To make them visible here. Oh no, there it is. There it is. It's an icon. That's what it is. So we're gonna use these green diamonds for this. Oh, actually, we can just use circles. Yeah, let's just use circles. There. Now that we have the circle set up, we can go back into the scene, and it should. We cannot see those circles. Alright, then we need something else we can use to visualize them. We can give them a sprite renderer. That will allow us to see them even while we're playing the game. The add component sprite renderer. Doesn't need to be anything. We can just do a square. Wonder why I can't find a square. None. Okay, that's rather strange. Okay. How about we just do a typical check mark then? Yeah, I'll do check marks. And we can like dye them green. You need like a very saturated green in order to make it high visibility. So now we're getting these check marks in. It'll allow us to see these things in the editor so that we know they're placed correctly. Alright, there. Get that done. Alright, we can see the check marks, and they are placed well enough, I think. Now that we know that those are there, we can get rid of those, we can get rid of these sprite renderers. They're in a good enough place. Now we just need to determine whether there is a tile under it or not, so that it can become a valid, well, I don't think it would be a valid spawn point, would it? They need to be moved a bit further out, I think. Like a 1.5? No. 1.3. 0.25? Ah, that's perfect. And 0.25. There. Now those should be in the correct locations to be in the center of those tiles. Then we need to detect if it's got a tile in its vicinity. I'm thinking maybe we could use a collider for that. No, because the tiles don't have collision. No, they do have collision. Yeah, they do have collision. Okay. So I'm thinking that if it's got a tile underneath it, then it's going to be involved in the equation for, it'll be involved in the function for use in determining whether the bud will spawn there or not. And if it doesn't have a tile underneath it, then it's not considered at all, and this would be for things like the edge of the screen, where the pot spawns, pretty much. Okay, so I'm thinking... in order to do that, we need to, first figure out how to find if there's a tile underneath it or not. To do that, we need to head into the pot script, which we don't have a lot in. Well, actually, no. First, I forgot. We need to give collision to these game objects. So we need to add a collider. We need to add a box collider. Doesn't need to be that big. Could be like 0.2 or something. I just edited the size of the game object instead of the size of... Yeah, like 0.2. Yeah. That's good enough. We just add the same component. Wait, can't we just copy a component? Hold on. Completely forgot that you can do that. The question is now, how do we paste the component? We can copy component, but how do you paste? Like this? Oh, like that. Okay. Learn new things every day. Alright. Now with that in there, we should be able to detect, hopefully, because because this pot spawns in, yeah, it spawns in -1 away. Hopefully these colliders should be able to detect if it collides with a tile. In order for that to work though, we need to add like a different script to these game objects, I think. I don't know. Maybe we can remove the pot script from the base thing and just add it to each one of these game objects. Yeah, I think that might be what we need to do. Okay. Well, actually, first, let me go in here and ensure that we can collide with it. Like, make it size 1 to, no, actually, we can move this back a bit. Be like 0.5. Like that. Now, this will definitely collide with the tiles. We need to remove this script, like, remove component. Actually, no, we need that, don't we? Yeah, we need that. Okay. That script is actually very necessary. It's used to determine where to put the pot. That's right. Even if it has nothing in it, it's still necessary. Okay, we need to make an entirely new script. C# script. I'm gonna call it Bud Spawner. Okay. But that's bus. Script. Explosive 101. Alright, now that we have that, we need to determine if it collides with anything. So first we need to do a void. No, I don't even know what I wrote down to get that. Void on collision enter. First we need to detect if that collision is a tile. So we do game object. Oh no. Do you remember how collisions work? So isn't here? No. Hold on. Let me look it up. I've used it so many times that I can't remember it for the life of me. On collision, enter. Okay, this didn't help me at all. Alright, so first we need to determine what the collided object is. It was like game object collision. No? Yeah, I'm gonna have to break out an example. I think, maybe. Hey, hold on, give me a second here. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just trying to find something. I may have accidentally just opened up more than one project. Oh boy, this is gonna take a bit. Man. Today has been somehow the most relaxing day in a while, but at the same time I'm like really struggling here. Literally all I did today, other than hang out with a friend, is play Minecraft. That's it. I just played Minecraft all day. Oh, but I'm tired and I'll get out. I mean, I did stay up pretty late last night. I don't know. We're already about 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes into the stream. I don't want to end it off at 30 minutes, but at the same time, I also struggling here. I don't know. Maybe if I can go for like another 10 minutes, even if it'll be an incredibly short stream, I don't care. I am freaking over this. Unity's taking forever to reload. At least I figured out the beginnings of a problem. I don't know. Maybe I'll see if I can go for an hour. Let's see if I can go for an hour. Okay. Unity is working now, hopefully. Never mind, it's... Oh my god. I clicked twice on accident, now it's taking the program forever to load anything. It's great. I've already opened the thing I want to load. Can I please stop oh my god, okay. Is it this one? Okay, I found the information that I need, and I was on the right track. I was on the right track. But I still need to keep the screen up because Unity is still loading things, and it's like taking forever because I accidentally opened up another project that I didn't mean to, that for whatever reason is taking forever to load, even though it's one of the smallest things ever. I literally closed my eyes to rub my temples, and then I looked back up and it's done. I don't know where it went. Like, at all. Okay, no, there it is, there it is. Alright, get out of here. And you get out of here too. I just need your code, and I have it now. Alright, sorry about that. To determine what the collided object is, we gotta go, game, object, other object, equals collision, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, collision dot game object. I'm gonna do an if statement. Other object. Actually, no. Okay, yeah, I was on the right track again. Damn, okay. Other object dot name dot starts with and I think it's just straight up into the string value, right? No, you need parentheses. Okay. Starts with parentheses tile. Is it tile? Or do we name it something else when we instantiate it? Yeah, it's tile. Okay. If it starts with tile, then let's turn a boolean onto true or false, pretty much. We do we can do like a public bool and it's what should we call it? I shall call it can spawn? Like can spawn. Yeah, can spawn. And then we can set it in this here to equal true or false. So we do the can spawn equals true. And then else can spawn equals false. I'm gonna serialize field this actually so I can determine if this is actually working or not. There's the wrong bracket. Didn't like that apparently. Serialized field, okay. You save that. And we add that to we add that to all of Alright, so we add that to all of these. And it's in the bud spawner. Okay. I'm gonna go back into the scene. We're gonna press play. Huh. The variable pop prefab of grid manager. Oh, did I mess it up? Did I mess it up? Alright. Okay, there you go. It's working. Now if we go to the pop prefab, these does not seem to be working at all. Okay. Why isn't that working? Is it because the collision is not detecting the tiles? Strange. Let me see what I can do about that. I don't think we need to switch this up. This seems to be working so far. As far as I know, that works. I just need to go back into the prefab and edit things, right? Maybe it's because I moved the center. If I click this, we see that each one of these boxes is like this. You know what we can do? We go back into this scene. Save that. Press play. Well, actually, can we play without the 2D scene? Okay, no. But we can go back into this. You can see how everything's all structured up and moved around and whatnot. And layered. Now if we go and click on this, should be some game objects around. Aha! It never actually reaches the tile, I don't think. Or maybe it does, I'm just dumb? It doesn't. It just barely touches it. Okay. We can fix that. Go into these game objects and we move this to as 0. What if we move this to 0? No. It'd be 1. Move it to a 1. Now, they should all be colliding with those tiles. And if there's a problem now, something's up. And if you don't mind, I'm going to fix up the window because I noticed that it was a little wonky. Yeah. Negative 0.9. Yeah, that should do. And now if we go back to the pot. Please work. No, it's still not working. Okay. Strange. They are definitely colliding with the sprites. My question is, why is it the fact that Box Collider 2D can't interact with the Box Collider 3D? Maybe that's it. Let me look that up real quick. Can 2D colliders interact with 3D colliders? Unity. The short answer is yes, you can use 2D colliders within a 3D game. I don't think that answers my question. It says some things won't work that way, some things will. Detecting mouse clicks, generally fine with a 2D collider. Detecting two objects intersect. Might have some issues with 2D colliders. Okay, there we go. Using very small collider areas, 2D colliders have some bugs that 3D colliders do not have. Okay, so we're running into a bit of a problem here then. It seems that in an attempt to detect a collision between a 2D and a 3D object, it just doesn't quite work in this one, because we're detecting two objects intersect, and it says we're having some problems. We're having problems with 2D colliders, so that's not going to work out for us. Got it. So we need to find some way of detecting that they're there. The other option is to just replace the colliders on these game objects, on these things, with 2D colliders, and just move them back in enough space to get to where they need to be. Might be it. That might be what I'm looking for. Okay. You have to go. Remove component. Box collider 2D. No, I'm turning this 2D thing back on. Size 0.2. 0.2. And with that, we're just gonna move the game object. Position 1. I'm just gonna copy this. I learn about a new thing and then I don't use it. I'm great at this. I copied the wrong component. Oh my god. Copy component. Remove component. Paste component is new. Remove component. Paste component is new. And these have to be set to 1 on their position. If we check this, yep, they are tile. They are 1 grid space behind it. No, if we go to the pot, still not detecting anything. Probably because I'm still in the prefab. They should be intersecting the game objects and the pot, those things. It is intersecting. It's right there. But it's not detecting that it's colliding with anything. I'm stumped. Dang, I didn't think this would have to be a problem that I'd look into off stream, because this would take a lot more research, I think. Damn. Yeah, it is there. It is colliding with it. I'm guessing that on collision... Wait. On collision enter. Is there just like an on collision stay? I might be just using the wrong thing here. There's an on collision stay. Not to mention, I'm using the 3D collider still. Okay, I think I might know what I need to do. I need to go into here. Change this to from enter to stay 2D. Let me do collision 2D. Alright, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Still nothing. Okay. Still nothing. I'm freaking... Alright. Trying to think, is there any other things that could be... It's not the type thing that it's colliding with something because it's spawned there? I don't know. The other thing I could think of to use is to do a raycast, but I'm like, I have no idea how raycasts even work. Which is why I said it would require a bit more extensive testing. It required me to basically spend an afternoon and do research, which is not something that everybody wants to see on stream. But that's the next step, though. I don't know what else to do. Or rather, we don't have anything else to do at the moment other than maybe make more prefabs. But that's, again, something we can do off camera. Make a ton of empty prefabs and just use them wherever we need to. I need to be able to get the bud to spawn in order for me to get moving of things going around. So I'm very sorry, but I don't think I have much else that I can do here. At least not on stream. I did say I tried to go for an hour, and I did indeed try to go for an hour. But yeah, I'm out of ideas. Alright. You know what? I'm just gonna take care of this stuff off stream. Do some more research, maybe look into like raycasting and whatnot. Trying to find a solution, see if there's anything else online. I'm not the best game developer. I'm still very new to all this. Damn. Oh well. I'm also very tired, so I think I'm going to just straight up cut the stream here, unfortunately. So thank you guys so much for watching anyways, even though it's a very short stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. And it's really warm where I am at the moment, very warm. So thank you guys so much for watching, hope you have an amazing rest of your night. I'm gonna do a little bit of research maybe. See you guys later.